75% का जो बिल उसका गवर्नर साहब के पास भेजा हुआ था राज्यपाल के संतुति के लिए, तो राज्यपाल साहब ने आज ही संतुति करके वो दे दिया है, लौटा दिया है। उसके बाद की जो प्रक्रिया होती है नोटिफिकेशन की, बहुत जल्दी शीघ्र वो नोटिफाई हो जाएगा और वो एक बिल के रूप में वो आगे बढ़ेगा।
महीम ने 75% रिजर्वेशन बिल फॉर लोकल एम्प्लॉयमेंट हरियाणा के युवाओं के लिए आज अप्रूव किया है। इससे ज़्यादा खुशी का दिन हरियाणा के युवाओं के लिए नहीं हो सकता। यह प्रत्येक इंडस्ट्री में, सोसाइटी में, ट्रस्ट में, किसी भी तरह के व्यवसाय के अंदर हरियाणा के मूल निवासियों को 75% अधिकार हो।
So I feel this is merely political, and sooner or later, they're going to retract this, because very often we see such legislations which are passed just to please a particular section of the society.
IT कंपनीज गुड़गांव में ही हैं, तो ऑब्वियसली दिल्ली वाले लोगों को काफ़ी दिक्कत होने वाली है। तो मैं इस डिसीजन से काफ़ी शॉक।
नहीं, अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट से लड़ाई ऐसे नहीं होता। आप स्किल बढ़ाइए बंदों का, जो डिजर्व करता है वो जॉब करेगा, चाहे वो जिस सेक्टर में भी हो और कहीं भी, और इंडिया में कहीं भी कर सकता है वो।
Everything that is restrictive does come with a lot of issues in terms of future investments. This could curb future investments. This could hinder competition in terms of us being competitive, because we may not be allowed to employ the best but be restricted to employing certain kinds of people.
The industry is in a state of shock. I mean, the fact that this bill has actually come about, we are still reconciling with this. And as you just mentioned, Gurugram or Gurgaon is the kind of a BPO capital. It's a kind of an IT hub. And I think from that perspective, clearly the bill is there, and obviously it's difficult to kind of think of rolling it back. But what it really does is that it sets a very bad precedent.
astonishing that such kind of a bill has been passed, and we will have to live up to the expectation that government is looking for. To be very honest with you, at this point in time, if you ask me, we do not even have a game plan, or we do not have even have a strategy around it, that how even we'll going to be implemented. Probably 70-80% of my labor would be all migrant labor only. And I don't think, I don't even know that any factory employ particularly Haryana domiciled people as their labor. I haven't heard of it. I haven't seen it around.